Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn how to configure newsletter in Magento 2, right? So this is also a sales promotion strategy, and this is most important aspect in promotion area. So in this video we are cover how to configure, how to set emails in newsletter, right? So we are going to store, right? Configuration. Inside the configuration, we are going to customers, right? Inside the customers, we are going to customer configuration and no newsletter, right? So here is a subscription area, and yes. So guys, this is first one is allow guest subscription. So need for allow, yes. If you don't need without login customers, yes. So no. If you don't need to allow guest customers, right? If you need, so yes. Basically, this is most of time subscription allow, yes, because if you have some paid script, paid emails. So suppose like a nutritionist and diet plan. If you have service like so, don't need for allow for guest customers. If you have product, so I think this is allow for everyone, right? And this is for confirmation. If you have need perfect data and perfect customers, don't pay customers, so you need yes, allow yes for email confirmation, right? Because some spamming emails and some fake customers comes your website, right? So need for most of time yes, right? And sender is support, right? Support. And guys, from support, where is handles emails, right? Sales emails from yes here, from sales, right? No. Right. And here is guys, yeah, this is guys, this is template from you can set from here, right? Marketing and email marketing, right? Here is your subscription area, subscription, right? Subscription confirmation email, this is your template. Subscription confirmation, subscription success or unsubscribe, right? Three are templates you can here is load, I see preview, right? This is successfully message, and this is confirm, right? You see, and you can click on from unsubscribe, right? Load from here, see, right? You can modify from here, right? No worries, you can write from here. After save and choose from here, this is working fine, right? And from here, general, so about last video we are cover these of email address, how can change on general sales support, right? So you can set, if you don't know about how to set these email address, so please see previous video. We are also cover these are in previous video, how can set general email address, sales email address, support, all of things. Okay. And this is unsubscribe templates, right guys? So this is for allow customers, yes, and need confirmation, yes, because we need right customers. And confirmation email center, support center, because this is customer support handles taking care. And confirm emails from, yes, subscribe confirmation, right? Template sender general contacts, right? Because this is not no customer is registered or not, right? Success email address, success, right? Success select, and support and unsubscribe, because three aspect in newsletter. First one is the customer comes on your website and subscribe, right, as a guest, or maybe register both of time, right? So first mail comes from confirmation, right? And second mail comes from successful, right? This is successful, email address exists or not exist, may be wrong. So many things occur in the in between from first to second part. And third one, customer not need for continue with your subscription. Maybe some emails come very most of times, so some irritate customers. So maybe sometimes customer in unsubscribe, right? So three aspects from subscription in newsletter, so you can set from here, right? And very much in this video, please don't forget for subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.